Alright guys, for your alternator, starter, sorry. For your starter, right here, turn on this light too. Here's your starter. You gotta take off Mercedes C250. You gotta take out this bolt right here. Boom. You gotta take out this bolt over here. Boom. That one. This one. Let's see. That one. Boom. This one comes out. This one comes out. This one comes out in. It's this one. Boom. Goes in here and comes out over here. This right there. And then up here, shit. And right here, you have to take this one off. It has a cap. When you first see it, it has a cap like this. Boom. That's your cap. You gotta take that cap off. This, just the cap. Then this right here. Shit, fucking phone. Then this one right here. Ground this cable. This cable. Boom. So one, two, the cap, boom, take it out, take that one, and these two right here, boom, boom, and boom, and that's it. And this is on the driver's side.